Here is lesson 39 for clarinet. We will play numbers 89 and 91. Again, as I've been saying for a few lessons now, you should have already looked through, you should be ready to go, and there shouldn't be anything new. We have that very first note. What is that note called, or what is that measure called that note is in? It is a pickup measure, or the note is a pickup note. It is an incomplete measure, so it does not count as measure 1. The next measure, which has your C, F, and G quarter notes, that is measure 1. You know about your first ending and taking that repeat sign, and you also know about the reverse repeat sign. So we're not going all the way to the beginning. We're going all the way to that reverse repeat sign. And then you know the second time through, you'll skip the first ending, go to the second. You know how to do all this because you've already done it. So, let's play it. Number 89. And 1, ready. When it comes to practicing first and second endings, don't practice it till you get it right. Practice till you can't get it wrong. If you play through this and you did it 4 times in a row and getting it wrong, and then you got it right the 5th time, then you moved on, you've not learned how to play first and second endings. Practice it so you don't get it wrong. When you practice, you need to make sure that you're getting it correct more times than you're getting it wrong. And you always want to end by getting it correct. Okay, number 91. I'm sorry, let me talk about 89 a little bit more. We play this somewhat like a waltz. Not really in a waltz style, except for the fact that we can take it faster. We talked earlier about a waltz being in 1. Instead of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, da, 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 da. Instead of that, we'll do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that gives you. A little bit faster, it makes it kind of more interesting. Okay? By the way, since we're talking about a waltz, that is your code word. The code word is waltz. W-A-L-T-Z. Waltz. Alright. Number 91. For clarinets only. This is a fantastic number to practice keeping your fingers close. Okay? Sometimes you'll see when I'll play. Sometimes I'll let my fingers come up. That depends on if I'm trying to demonstrate fingerings to you, or if I just forget to put my fingers in the right spot. Okay, the closer you keep your fingers, the better. Especially on numbers like 91. Alright, let's play through it. 1, 2, ready. If that was a little bit fast for you, then you need to practice it more before you try to play it again. Because that is a number that does move quickly. Okay, that was lesson 39. Thanks for joining me.